Makita chainsaw. It's part of their LXT XPT line. LXT just stands for Lithium Extreme Technology, which refers to their 18-volt system, battery system. XPT stands for Extreme Protection Technology, which speaks to their integrated seals that channel away dust and water for increased durability in their tools. And BL motor just means brushless motor. So let's get started. Here is the Makita chain cover. I sure hope it comes with a chain. That's everything in the box. Here's the main body of the tool. Look at that. It's shiny, nice blue Makita color. I'm still hoping the chain's inside here. Okay, yep, the chain is inside the bag, people. It does come with the chain. Oh. This gets mounted right to the front right there. So once the spike bumper is installed on the front, then you grab the guide bar and the chain, you install that. So there it is without the cover on it. That puppy nice and tight. On the opposite side of the tool is where you put the chain oil. Here we go. Once you fill it up, turn it over and it shows you how full it is. Mine's completely full. Now I'm gonna get one of my 3 amp hour 18 volt batteries, put it in the battery cartridge. There's a power button right here on the handle. Press it, the light turns green. There's a little safety lever here you have to have depressed, and then pulling the trigger will turn it on once you have the safety handle locked back, just like any other chainsaw. And then you press the button. I'm gonna jump right into a pretty tough test, cutting into this piece of redwood that I pulled out of a redwood forest in California. Redwood is very soft wood, so maybe this isn't the best example. So there's the cut. I enjoyed that very much. The saw was very light, so I could just handle it with one hand and look over on the other side to make sure I'm hitting my mark on both sides. That is a nice tool. That little guy. Not that straight. Run it through the planer once or twice. That'll be a really nice piece. So I cut one more piece against the grain, and I'm on my 3rd battery. The first battery was completely dead after I made my first cut. So I made a total of 3 large cuts with this chainsaw. Here's one with both sides cut, unplaned. And here's one unplaned down to a nice smooth finish. Look at all the rings in this wood, this redwood. It's insane. This is from one of those huge trees in the redwood forest. Somebody cut one down in the middle of this forest. I had a bunch of these pieces laying around, so I just grabbed one. It did go through a few batteries per cut all the way down that long piece of wood, especially when I was cutting against the grain, and it worked fine as I was rocking the saw. Another thing is it completely stopped up on me eventually. This power light went from green to red and it would not let me start the chain. Nothing was working. So I checked the oil was low, which is really cool, but also kind of crazy that the oil ran out that fast. I don't know, maybe that's normal. I don't use chainsaws, but it ran out pretty quick and it stops for you so you don't overheat or ruin your tool. So I just filled it back up and the light turned green. I started cutting again. Overall, I really like this tool. Extremely happy I have this in my Makita lineup. Has this carabiner hook right here. I didn't mention that. You can hang that from your belt, and you could because it's so lightweight and you just hang right at your side if you're doing some work in the woods or whatever. I hope this was helpful for at least a few people out there.